Hey, what's going on, guys? Wanted to get back to you with another review and picked this up recently at Home Depot. It was a set. It's the Chrome Wood utility knife by Husky. I've done a couple other utility knife reviews, and guys, these are some of the best tools you can have available as a homeowner, as a DIYer. You're gonna want a utility knife, and one of the nice things about this knife in particular is it comes with um, not only the utility knife but another knife, more of a traditional knife that you can use around the house, you know, around the campfire, you know, opening presents, anything you need to do, guys. You can pull out a traditional knife, cutting rope, things of that nature. And again, this operates like a normal utility knife. You press the release on the back, and you can fold down your blade. When you pull it up, it locks out. You've also got the tab here for kind of the quick release. If you want to roll out your knife. Again, I'm not the best at it, but you've got your release here. You can lock down your traditional blade. In addition, you've got your regular utility knife, which is why I bought this set. You've got your blade that snaps out, and you've got another great utility knife here. One of the disappointing things about this knife is it was really sticky to get the razor blade out. Um, I kind of stuck a screwdriver in there, eventually loosened it up, and now I've got it so it folds out. But you press this release back, you fold out the safety tab, and then you can pick up your razor blades. I usually pop in a new one every 3 or 4 times I use it. If I'm cutting cardboard, things of that nature, it does get pretty worn down. But this is another great knife. One of the reasons I picked up this one is it's a little more substantial than some of the others. So again, this operates like the other one with the release here on the back. Fold it over. Obviously, be really careful, guys, because this is an extremely sharp blade, especially with the new razor blade in there. I've cut myself many times, but again, can't stop using it because it's such a great tool. So again, guys, I want to make this brief, but really consider picking up this set of the chrome wood utility knives at Home Depot. I think it only ran $10, so it's going to be a great tool to add to your arsenal. Again, 2 for 1, so $5 each. You're going to like it a lot. Husky makes really good products that are versatile and really a great addition for the homeowner. And they're cheap and they're at Home Depot. So pick them up curbside or, go into your store and mask up for the time being, guys. But we'll talk to you at the next review. See you later.